Hello all, this is Joe Arcieri from Long Island Window Treatments. We've just completed a Hunter Douglas Architella duet and some custom drapery on a 65-foot pole man. We have installed custom guide wires on these shades, and they are power view. And with the hit of a button, they all go up. And they hide behind the recessed wall of the shade itself. You can't see the guide wires because we hid them behind the drapes, but they are somewhere over here. And we use Monel because Monel has some good stretch to it and it won't snap like a stainless wire. The drapes are all a cotton duck and go apropos. On this vessel also, we redid the couches with ultra leather and the pillows and the carpeting, so it's really come out beautiful. This is an older one and we made it look brand new, and then with the touch of a button, down comes the shade.